the way down to the Keyshear auction. We're gonna drop off the lawnmower. Got loaded up here. We're driving Dash Dodge because I pointed out to the Ranger. I know the Ranger was kind of at a weird angle to the dangle, to the sangle with her. She was leaning to the right a little bit, to the drop passenger side. I jacked it up a little bit, and the whole spring situation with the other thing, the spring collar, where the spring goes into, had been broken, just hanging on there with a prayer. So I just kind of pushed it back together and let the jack down, she was kind of straight, and I drove it back to the shed. I think maybe it'll fix itself, otherwise I'll have to take it in the Netherlands. If it doesn't, I have to take a look at it. But we're driving this old Dodge here. Got the radio work sometimes. You press on the brake and it pulls you to the ditch. I don't remember what else is bothering me about it right now. So, we're driving that down, almost to Soccer Apples now. We'll meet you over to the auction. Got the lawnmower down here at the auction. There she is. She got extra oil filter and a belt for her. Right there. Shined up pretty nice. Looks like they got a lot of stuff left over they didn't sell. My fan is still here. I'll check. I'll see what Dean brought.